Uh, I'm showing you how to grow potatoes on a raised bed. This is a bio-intensive raised bed, and how you can grow the potatoes you want at home at your own home garden. Potatoes are one of the major crops of every diet which we take, and when it is commercially grown, many times because of lots of fungus that come in this crop, like the late blight of potato, early blight of potato, lots of fungicides which are chemicals and which are very harmful can be used, and that might have trace of the chemicals left on the potatoes which we eat, and that might be very fatal for us. So this is a very simple technique which I have devised, where you can grow potatoes in a very small area of your garden, home garden, or might be if you can also think about growing on rooftop gardens also. But today I'm showing you how you can make if you have a small patch of land at your home, how you can grow lots of potatoes in a small space. This is called high density planting. This is a Parma gardening way where I am creating this bio-intensive raised beds. My way of creating this bed is I make a size which can be installed in the space which I have. For example, here I am making this into 3 feet by 10 feet bed. So this is a 30 square feet bio-intensive raised bed. My first job is to divide this bed into the wise. I will divide it into 5 parts and start digging it, which I call double digging. I'll dig one part first, dig 1 foot soil out, keep it outside. Then this becomes 1 foot, 2 feet wide size and 1 foot deep size pit here. So I will again, and this becomes a pit, then I will loosen the soil, and then I will again start digging up the second 2 feet part, which I have divided this bed into 5 parts. So the second part I will start digging up, and I'll put the soil of the second part onto the first pit, and then again third one to the second pit. So that's how I will go on, and the fifth part there will be no soil. So the first part which I took outside, I'll put it there. So this is my tillage operation for many years. I'll do only once, and after that I'll not till the soil, because the soil has to be with lots of microbes and the properties for my kids also to grow food on that same piece of land. So after digging this, I will just raise this bed with the help of bamboos, because we have bamboos here. We use bamboos to frame up 6 inch high, and then in the 6 inch we will put lots of compost and dry leaves. Now this season we have so much of dry leaves which we can collect from parks or which we can collect from our garden area, and those dry leaves I'll put 3 inches layer on this frame. Like this is 6 inches high, the bamboo frame. So first layer will be 3 inches layer of dry leaves. Then I will put compost, which I make. Heap composting is very important. We do lots of heap composting. You can see every bed, and near every bed we have a compost heap. So we make lots of compost, and we'll fill up this with the compost we harvest. On that we will make bamboo biochar fertilizer from our bamboo. Those who don't get bamboos can buy also. Nowadays you get very good bamboo biofertilizers to buy. We also manufacture one, and we also sell it. You can also mail us or ask us to get the very good packet of bamboo biochar. So we use in one bed I use around 100 grams of bamboo biochar. Winter days, now we burn fire for warming us. So the wood ash which we get, we put it here, because this potato crops will also attract lots of red ant and termites. So this UDAS and the biochar will be repelling all the soil insects, and also they will give lots of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Potassium source is very important when you grow organically. So biochar and UDAS can be a very good source of potassium also for the crop. So after that we will do very high density planting, because now I have dug the bed 1 feet and loosen it again down. So I am pushing the roots to the mineral and mineral zone. So it will go down. It will not come like this. So I can closely space the crops and plant it in a close spacing. And look at the result. So the potatoes here are growing very nice, like 30 square feet. I know if I have got here around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, around 30 plants in this 30 square feet. And if each plant gives me even 1 kg of potato or half kg of potato is 15 kgs, or 1 kg it's 30 kgs of potato, which I can get from 30 square feet. Small is very beautiful. Use your space. You can this areas again we don't keep it fallow. So what I have done is I have sprinkled some lentil seeds. Lentils, I think I can get some lentils out of this also. But the most important thing which I am doing is like lentils, they can fix the nitrogen. So they are more giving more nitrogen to my soil and making it more fertile. So the whole idea of bio-intensive raised bed is culturing all the beneficial microorganisms which we are getting in this whole 6-inch of layer which we are creating above the soil. And another important thing is we are getting food from a small space, which this can be a very good model for the urban gardeners who has got small space at their home. And most importantly, we are not destroying the main soil because we are growing above the ground. So we are keeping the soil very good quality for our future generation. So grow your own food, grow your potatoes at home, try it. And if you want more trainings, come to Spread Any Farm Learning Center at Sonapur in Assam. You can reach us through our website or through our Facebook page Spread Any, or you can also follow me on Facebook on my page Samir Bordoloi. Thank you.